My love, from the very first moment you stepped into mine and Sierra's apartment, I knew there was something special between us. Even though I initially kept my walls up, unwilling to let you in completely, I felt something that day, and those feelings have only gotten stronger with time. I can't imagine loving you more than I do right now, but I felt that way yesterday, and the day before yesterday, and the day before that. My love for you keeps surprising me, growing in ways I didn't know were possible. John, I don't know what the future holds, but what I do know is this. I have never been happier than I am in this moment, standing here, waiting to take the first step towards forever with you. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives chasing sunsets and building a life together. I love you to the deepest depths. Now, get ready. Here I come.
Now, having pledged the fidelity to each other of their love, their honor, and the fact that they're going to cherish one another in the presence of God and all these that are gathered by the authority vested in me. It's my honor to pronounce them now as husband and wife. It's time to salute your bride. It is my honor to be the first to announce to you Mr. and Mrs. Stanfield.
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and my faithfulness to you.
my faithfulness to you.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and my faithfulness to you.
and my faithfulness to you.
I love you all so much.
I, John, take you, Kista, to be my lawful wedded wife.
I, Kista, take you, John, to be my lawful wedded husband.
I give to you, in the presence of God and these witnesses,
My promise to stay by your side in sickness and in health.
in joy and sorrow, as well as good times and bad.
I promise to love without reservation, comfort you in times of distress,
Encourage you to achieve all your goals. Laugh with you,
cry with you, grow with you, in mind and spirit,
to be always open and honest with you,
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
Oh my God. All right, all right.